In my opinion, there are two factors that prevent manufacturing companies from conducting proper security testing. Factor number one is around their brownfield manufacturing facilities. This is where you have a lot of legacy equipment, older equipment, which may be 15, 20 years old, maybe even older. And in those situations, the biggest challenge that they face is they simply don't know what to test. And if they don't know what to test, there are multiple risks that they have. Either they're going to miss something during the testing, or we may be testing something that may not be as stable, and if we don't know exactly what we're testing, there is a chance that we may have some production interruption, which is not really good, especially in mission-critical manufacturing environments. And that leads us to issue number two. And the issue number two is a lot of times manufacturing companies may have tried doing security testing, but if they have dealt with a vendor or penetration tester that does not have experience in testing things in mission-critical environments, especially with older equipment that may not be as stable, this may not have gone well. It may have resulted in interruption. That's why manufacturing companies see a big risk in terms of doing security testing on their equipment. And that's why you really need to select a security testing vendor that knows what they're doing and understands some of the tests that may be disruptive to the operations versus the tests that are non-disruptive to operation that they can run in the mission-critical environment. And we have a very particular methodology that we use in terms of making sure that the testing is not going to disrupt operations, and the testing is adequate and adjusted for the unknown around equipment, especially around the older equipment that may not be as stable or may not have the newer controllers. And that's the most important thing. This is the reason why a lot of manufacturing companies don't do security testing, because they don't know what's connected, or they're afraid that the testing may disrupt their operations. And they're right about this. What they need to do is they really need to select the right vendor that knows what he's doing. And that's what we do. We do security testing in mission-critical manufacturing environments. Thank you very much for listening to this video to the end. And as a parting gift, I'm going to give you something really exciting. Over the years, Parabellyx has accumulated a massive amount of information to create a methodology on best strategy to do penetration testing in the organization. As you know, your organization may have multiple infrastructure components, multiple applications that change, whether fast or slow. And you need the right approach for security testing, including penetration testing. We can help you plan for that testing cycle for free. Reach us at www.parabellyx.com/contact, and in the comment section, leave your contact information and say that you've listened to the video and you would like to have one of our engineers help you with security testing planning for 2025. And one of our engineers will get back to you and will help you with testing. Thank you again, and until next time.